Oh, you already know what time it is. It's fucking. It's like. Hello, YouTube. Hello. Okay, you guys. Okay. We went to this. You know, we got our things. Went on a walk. Oh my God, here we go. Oh yeah. Gotta wipe off my butt. God, I feel like we've been on these stairs forever. Oh my God, they're so big. These stairs.
My kimchi.
That tree trunk looks beautiful.
Wow. Wow. Oh my God, friends, hello.
Those beers hit, like
Natalie!
We saw the place where that person burned themselves alive. Now we're going back home to get PoPeYeZ. Oh my God, the shortest line I've ever seen. No one is here, it's crazy. Okay, you guys, we just got home.
hello.
Okay, you guys, we got the popcorn.
A spicy chicken sandwich combo. Spicy chicken.
Spicy chicken.
Spicy chicken.
Spicy chicken
Spicy chicken sandwich.
combo.
We just got home.
Let's see what we got.
Okay.
Bodies alive. We've never had PoPeYeZ before. We've never had PoPeYeZ before. We've never had the chicken sandwich before. Actually, we've never had the chicken sandwich before. First time. We're just gonna eat it. Hi. Okay, you guys. Here we go.
Buckle up.
Oh my God.
You don't even have your sandwich.
Oh my God, who's getting it? Who's getting it?
Dash. All hail. Hell yeah.
Oh yeah. What do we have here, Emma? What do we got?
We have two
Spicy chicken.
sandwich combos. The kids fries from PoPeYeZ.
We've never had them. So we've never had this sandwich before. Trying it today, we're trying it out. First time eating this sandwich. Ooh, okay. Seeing what the hype is, you know?
Yeah, everyone be saying this is the best chicken sandwich they've ever had.
This is so good though.
Honestly. This though.
I see that for you.
This though.
I see that for you.
This though.
I see that for you. It doesn't have mayonnaise. I thought it just had mayonnaise.
More.
Love that chicken.
Fuck all the haters. This shit is
Sandwich.
delicious. We can put tequila in the tea. I beat you. on sandwich. Fucking delicious. 10 out of 10. The hype is real. And that's my hot take on that sandwich. I do like the Wendy's spicy chicken sandwich, but the PoPeYeZ one is definitely better. Oh god, I have to wash my hands now. Why would you stick my finger in your mouth? Honestly, you should get a microphone and just put it up to your mouth because you sound so loud. Ooh.
Okay, you guys. Okay, you guys.
That's it, sluts.
You saw us. Eat the sandwich. Get the sandwich. You saw the sandwich. Okay.
Link in bio.
Yeah, comment below.
Stick around for our next video.
Yeah.